We're looking forward to this opportunity to show you around the 2020 Ventana diesel motor coach. Ventana is one of our most versatile motor coaches, with an impressive 13 available floor plans to choose from. And with a redesigned interior for 2020, it's better than ever before. Starting in the Ventana Cockpit, we find new power-adjustable captain's chairs with a stowable passenger workstation and a passenger footrest. The gas and brake pedals are also power-adjustable, and the digital dash display is new for 2020. To help you drive and park confidently, side and rear view camera displays come standard, while a 360-degree outside camera display is optional. And for your convenience, a wireless charging station is found in the cockpit. Comfort Drive adaptable steering technology comes standard, while 40 and 43-foot floor plans add a passive steer tag axle. For your listening pleasure, the JBL Cockpit audio system is connected to 6 custom-tuned speakers. And with the available Rand McNally navigation system, you'll benefit from turn-by-turn directions as you travel. Now let's take a look at the Ventana living room. Today, we're touring Floorplan 4369 with our Largo Decor fabrics on display. In this particular coach, we see optional power-adjustable theater seating, along with a jackknife sofa and 2 ottomans. Many other furniture options are available to suit your lifestyle. Features like porcelain tile flooring, custom wall sconces, a ventless feature ceiling add style and sophistication to each Ventana. Entertainment comes courtesy of a retractable Samsung 4K TV with a Blu-ray DVD player and a Bluetooth-compatible Bose soundbar. 2 available Wi-Fi access solutions allow you to stream TV shows and movies with ease. The 2020 Ventana kitchen features our Newport hardwood cabinetry, redesigned cabinet doors, soft close drawers with new chrome-finished hardware, and a generously sized wood pantry with full-length pull-out shelves. Shown here is a hand-laid tile backsplash. The appliances seen in this particular Ventana would delight any chef, including a convection microwave, a Whirlpool French door refrigerator, a recessed cooktop, and a dishwasher. And the stainless steel double bowl sink is surrounded by polished solid surface countertops. Moving on, we arrive at the Midship half bathroom found in Floorplan 4369, which features a vessel sink with a tile backsplash and a medicine cabinet. Next, let's step into the 2020 Ventana Master Suite. The cozy yet spacious bedroom grants you a plush pillow top queen or king-size mattress, with the option to upgrade to an available Sleep Number mattress. For 2020, the bed also features a redesigned headboard. A large hardwood dresser and 2 wardrobes provide plenty of storage for your clothing and other belongings. And positioned above the dresser, you'll find a Samsung LED TV with a Blu-ray DVD player. The master bathroom in Floorplan 4369 presents you with a dual vanity that features new geometric sink bowls for 2020. You'll also find an extra-large 50-inch by 34-inch shower with a glass door, an AquaMister shower system, and an available fold-down seat. The optional laundry station adds convenience to your routine with its 2-piece stacked washer and dryer. And a spacious hanging wardrobe with adjustable shelves provides even more space for storage. The 2020 Ventana is available in 13 floor plans ranging from 34 to 43 feet in length, including 1 wheelchair-accessible floor plan. This particular floor plan, 4369, measures 43 feet and 10 inches in length and features 3 power slide-outs, including a full wall slide. Each 34 and 37-foot Ventana is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis with a V-Ride rear suspension, while 40 and 43-foot plans can be had with your choice of a Freightliner XCR tag axle chassis or a Spartan K2 tag axle chassis. And a Cummins diesel engine produces up to 400 horsepower. Welded to the chassis is our Star Foundation, a steel superstructure that adds support and assures a quiet ride. Our exclusive full paint masterpiece finish, seen here in Largo, adorns the outside of each Ventana and is made possible by BASF and industrial finishes. The 2020 Ventana displays a fully redesigned exterior for 2020 with newly styled front and rear caps. Frameless double-pane windows come standard, as does a Girard G2000 integrated power side awning with a wind sensor and new LED lighting. New taller basement storage makes loading and unloading even easier, and each storage door has heavy-duty side hinges. You may select the available pass-through storage trays for added convenience. Seen here is Ventana's optional outdoor entertainment center, which is equipped with a TV and a soundbar. It's perfect for movie nights, tailgates, or just relaxing with your favorite shows. A standard 8 kilowatt Cummins diesel generator supplies reliable power to the coach.